All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package with 84,000 miles and only 440 idle hours from the city of Maricopa County, Arizona. Yes, that is correct. This is an Arizona vehicle, no rust on it whatsoever, super clean inside and out, top and bottom. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is in immaculate running condition and shape, ready to go to her next home. Original light ice blue from factory. Vehicle does have very tiny little scratches that are hardly noticeable at all. I do have about maybe 3 to 4 door dings around the vehicle, but nothing major to worry about. Let me backtrack here real quick. Tinted windows from the department. It appears to be a dark shade in the rear and light shade in the front, as you guys can see here. Once again, this is a straight appearance package. It does have all the chrome trimming all around. Vehicle has been completely serviced and it is in immaculate running condition and shape. Folks, as you can see, I do have 3 holes on the body of the vehicle. I have 2 on the roof, as you guys can see there, and 1 here on the trunk lid. Yes, the vehicle did come with 3 holes, rubber plugs in them. It's a lot easier for me to put these antennas on there. They're not going anywhere. They're solid. Those are the actual antennas for the vehicle. They're not up. They're just there for looks. If you take your car through the express car wash, don't worry, they're gonna be solid. They're not going anywhere. There's no water or air leakage through those antennas. This is gonna be an E85 flex fuel, okay? You can save some money at the pump. The paint looks extremely sharp, very shiny. Once again, this is the original paint. I didn't have this one repainted. It is all original. I do have some minor door dings, very light scratches that are not noticeable to the eye. From the department, the vehicle does have a nice set of Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tires. This is what the car came with. I do have a nice set of clean, clear lights in the front. I do have a new OEM license plate bracket. The car came with no bracket, so I went ahead and put one on. If you use it, good. If you don't, then don't worry about it. Chrome grille looks good. No peeling, no bubbling. No peeling around the chrome grille. Vehicle does have a Dynamox Siren speaker behind the grille. Once again, non-op is there. I decided to leave that alone for the next new owner to decide what they want to do with it. Scuff mark on the front bumper right there. You can hardly see it, but it's there. Another one right there, folks. You can kind of see it, but it's right here, this area right there. All right, let's continue. I do have a brand new set of wiper blades as well, right to the smallest detail. Yes, a brand new set of wiper blades. Wow, can you believe that? E85. Let's go inside the car and show you what we got to work with here, ladies and gentlemen. Folks, as you can see, I do have an extremely clean interior, matching interior, that is. All seat belts and buckles are in place, as you guys can see. Carpeting floor with all 4 matching OEM floor mats. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car. Door rods are in place, so if you do have passengers in the back seat, they will be able to exit the vehicle from the rear by simply opening the handle right here. Switches do work, everything does work. For those of you guys that ask, this is gonna be an X-Ray 5 rear axle. Once again, X5 rear axle, electric seat. No holes in the carpet. No holes in the carpet. perfect driver's side seat, perfect passenger side seat. Alright folks, I can tell you right now, whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an outstanding job taking care of it. Once again, this belonged to the Maricopa County, Arizona, and it was a municipal vehicle, not a patrol vehicle. Let me clean this up here for us. Perfect clean dash. As you guys can see, I do have a little microphone hanger bracket here. Decided to leave this here alone for the next new owner. It doesn't bother me, but if you are buying the car and you want to have this removed, let me know. I can go ahead and remove it easily. There are gonna be no holes in the on the dash trim. It bolts down to the panel on the dash, not the trim. Okay, so I can leave that alone or I can remove it. Working cruise control, honk works. Electric retractable pedals right here, ladies and gentlemen. Vehicle does have one key fob. Okay, one key fob. This is not a fleet key, this is a independent key. The key fob does work. That is a factory alarm. Pressure lights off. Let me clean this up here for you guys. 84,000 miles, and as you guys can see, you have a full gas tank. Wow, look at that. So far I've driven it 42 miles. It will be a higher number. 443. I stand corrected. 443 idle hours. I repeat, I stand corrected. 443 idle hours. Stereo does work. I do not own the rights to the video, just in case YouTube decides to shut me down for playing the song. I do not own the rights to the video. I mean, correction, to the music. What am I talking about here? Ticket light works. Dome lights do work. And folks, if you haven't noticed, this vehicle is equipped with the fire suppression system. Once again, this is a very rare and unique feature found in some vehicles. Fire suppression system is built into this car from factory. That means that the vehicle is equipped with fire extinguishers underneath the vehicle, right in front of the gas tank. Okay, this is a very rare and unique feature found in some Crown Victorias. Let's go to the trunk. Let's go ahead and step it up a little bit. Did I forget anything? Super clean carpet, guys. Super clean carpet, super clean vehicle. If you are in the market for a light SUV vehicle and you were waiting for one, I got just the one here for you. Alright, let me clean this up here for you guys. I do have a brand new spare tire and wheel. Floor jack is right behind the tire. It's there. Missing the fire extinguisher, but I do have the bracket. Once again, I'm leaving that alone for the next owner. And you will see the emergency wire and harness kit here in the back. I decided to leave that alone for the next owner to do something with it, or you can leave it alone. You can go ahead and get the power strobes working on the vehicle and the wig wax right from here. Okay, everything is pre-wired for you just to hook up the power supply and get the ball rolling with the flashers and wig wax. Okay, everything is in place. I went ahead and verified that everything is in place. Let me go ahead and step it up. Super clean, as you guys can see. I do have the heavy duty green for Crown Victoria Police Interceptor hoses on this particular vehicle. This has had to be ordered from the factory. Okay, there's nowhere else. This is an obsolete item. Okay, green heavy duty silicone hoses. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was cleaned out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs from that department. new alternator from that department, what it looks to be a new intake manifold from that department, new drive belt from that department, along with the water pump. Tensioner appears to be in new conditions as well from the department. Nice and cold AC. Transmission was serviced. I did use Motorcraft LV fluid and filter on this particular unit. This is gonna be the wig-wag module for the headlamps. Okay, it's already connected, but again, you got to get everything up and running in the back first. Okay, once again, let me remove the radiator cover here. Let me clean this up. Folks, that's the speaker right there. I'm leaving that alone. And as you guys can see, radiator and condenser appear to be in new condition as well with the fan shroud. Folks, once again, I've inspected the whole car and it's got a bunch of new OEM parts. Don't worry, I do have the clip for the radiator cover. I'll go ahead and put this in place. I do have new rear brakes on my expense. Okay, we went ahead and resurfaced the rotors. Front brakes are about 80%. We went ahead and left us alone. Also, the vehicle does have new fuel filter. Differential was serviced. Front, lower, and upper control arms were replaced by that department, as well along with the front struts and the rear shocks. Folks, I'm telling you, this is it right here. This is the cream of the crop. Fully serviced, a bunch of new parts. The vehicle, it's ready to go. I inspected the car and let me tell you, everything is new. Folks, I gotta go. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor Street Appearance Package with 84,000 miles and only 443 idle hours. Any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call, text me.